Iputhalami, sengaze ngikukhona ukuthi uyangithanda. Iputhalami, bengikuthanda. Iputhalami, sengaze ngikukhona ukuthi ngiyakuthanda. Bengikuthanda, baby.
Yo, joining this production. Sometimes I blame myself the way things go. Baby, why my head give you my heart and my love and my mind, each and everything, every day. Pray for this love, blame myself the way things go. Sometimes I tell myself I would never fall in love again. When things go like this the way, sometimes love can kill, love can heal. I don't understand why things go like this. Cause sengaze ngifengifele ukuthi ngiyakuthanda. Sengaze ngifengifele ukuthi ngiyakuthanda. Iputhalami, sengaze ngifengifele ukuthi ngiyakuthanda. Bengikuthanda, iputhalami, because I love you, because I love you. Sengaze ngifengifele ukuthi ngiyakuthanda. Iputhalami, bengikuthanda. Sengaze ngifengifele ukuthi ngiyakuthanda. Sengaze ngifengifele ukuthi ngiyakuthanda. Iputhalami, bengikuthanda. Iputhalami, bengikuthanda. Sengaze ngifengifele ukuthi ngiyakuthanda. Because I love you, because I love you, because I love you. Sengaze ngifengifele ukuthi uyangithanda. Sengaze ngifengifele ukuthi I'm already dead, it's under some I'm dying. Deep down in my heart I cry each and every day. Inyembezi negazi sithoyile enhlizweni. I never know how to do. Sometimes I blame myself on why I'm in love, but not everyone need love. Even though you were hurt in love, like the way things go, sometimes I understand. Love is blind, money can't buy me love. Sengaze ngifengifele ukuthi ngiyakuthanda. Sengaze ngifengifele ukuthi ngiyakuthanda. Iputhalami, sengaze ngifengifele ukuthi ngiyakuthanda. Bengikuthanda, yo, love is blind. Uthando aluboni. Love can kill, love can heal. You don't have to take it straight to your heart or to your mind. We all need love. Love conquers all. Let's respect love. Let's love each other. Love. Iputhalami.
Sengaze ngifengifele ukuthi ngiyakuthanda. Because I love you, because I love you, because I love you. Sengaze ngifengifele ukuthi uyangithanda. Sengaze ngifengifele ukuthi uyangithanda.